trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Hey loves, it's Lavishly Britt, and I'm coming to you real basic, real bare, but that's okay because we're gonna snap it up and look a little something like this. As you see, I am glammed up now. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 3 different hairstyles out of one. As you all know, I'm about versatility, I'm about making it last, I'm about making it cute. So it wouldn't be me if I wasn't a little extra, throw in a little bit outfits, inspiration for you, so you know you can get the whole package deal, baby girl. Because I want you all to know that natural hair does not have to be boring. You do not have to be boring. You're beautiful, you're cute. Do I need to continue on? So before we hop into this, I'm gonna need you all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And if you haven't already, sis, what are you doing? Let's get with it. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at @LavishlyBritt. Now obviously before we can get into anything, really, you must slay and lay your edges. So today I'm going to be using this Kiss Argan and Macadamia Max Edge Control. This is my first time using it. It smells good though, I will tell you that. Honey, they got me off the smell.
One look and I breathe. One touch.
So look one is real simple. It is pretty much wearing this style exactly as is, but there's options because I did have a few of you ask me like, is this the only way you can wear the hairstyle? And no, 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 no. You should know me better than that. So what you can do actually with this hairstyle is, since it is a half up, half down, you can do all the classic easy half up, half down hairstyles, like just wearing a ponytail up top, wearing 2 ponytails, 2 buns, 1 bun, all down, and gathering it all as one big ponytail. Plus there are plenty more hairstyles. Now that I've shown you the different options you can do with your hair, let me show you a quick and cute option that I think would be nice to rock with any of the hairstyles I just showed you.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, 'cause I got better things to do. Chasing somebody who loves me too. Loves me
Now that look one is complete, as you can see, it's very like chill, relaxed. Who can't throw on a sweater, some jeans, some tennis shoes, and call it a day? Like no thoughts necessary. My hair is already done. I just threw it up, and you have plenty of options as far as hairstyles you can go for that. Look number 2 is real simple. Now, as you see, the front half of my hair is flat twist, and the back is mini twist. So if you can't speculate on your own what I'm about to do, I'm about to remove the twist in the back so I can have a totally different hairstyle. Now, just like I would any other time, I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my hands just so I don't cause a bunch of frizz. Now, just because it's a protected style don't mean we don't care. I would usually opt to take out my jewelry first, but
right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh.
so now that I have all of my mini twist out in the back, this is what a twist out from my mini twist would look like, essentially. Definitely might have to do that. Y'all, like, look at this. This is probably the best I've ever seen a twist out look on my hair. So y'all know we're gonna get it popping real soon. So obviously, I wouldn't just want to wear it like this, although you could, you know, if you're somebody that's trying to preserve your hair for as many days as you can, if you're trying to avoid wash day. I know it's a lot of you. Don't you hide. I see you. I'm judging you. Don't be that way. But if you still are, this is a perfect style. You can take your twist out. And honestly, if you are somebody that cares, I would say do not separate and do not fluff. At least for the first day, just wear it like this. Get you a little time, a little in the hairstyles. I'm really loving this. Like my hair feels so good, so soft. If you want to know the products I use, then definitely go just check out the video I did on installing this hairstyle because it was quick and easy and it was even quicker getting it out. So now now that we've gotten the hair situated, let's go ahead and hop into outfit number 2 so I can show you how you can spice this up too.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you.
Baby, won't you let me ride? Tell me what you like. I can read your mind if I want to. So just like in look 1, look 2, you can switch it up. You can wear it as a ponytail. You can wear it as 2 buns, 1 bun. You name it, the possibilities are not endless up here. But you know what I'm saying. Like you can switch it up and have fun up top. Ooh, I hope y'all are having as much fun as I am because we are on to the last and final transformation of this video. So if you haven't figured it out by now, the versatility is coming to an end. But baby girl, like it's a lot that's about to happen. So if you haven't guessed it, we are going to be taking out these twists in the front. The rest of the twists in my head need to come out. I need it to match the back. The vibe in the back is like here for it. With that being said, let it go.
I've got 30 minutes if you want to spill your mind. Give me all your reasons.
Uh-oh, y'all. We got some flakage going on, and you know I can't stand flakage.
So I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you
Okay, we done it. I've taken all of the twists out except for the 2 that were on the side because I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep those in or take those out. So let me just kind of style my hair partially. If you can't tell, I am absolutely terrible at taking out flat twists, specifically on myself, you know? Like they always end up looking like this and not like this. So if you got any tips, definitely drop those down below because I would have preferred the front to look more so like this and the back to look like the front. But such is life with natural hair, and sometimes you just gotta take what you get. Yay! So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and fluff the back a little bit so it can match the front vibe a little bit, because you know, front we're looking real like big hair, don't care, not much definition, but we're still cute. Okay, we're still gonna be cute. If you thought different, you thought wrong.
putting on the pressure? 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard.
So now that my hair is done for look number 3, let's go ahead and hop on into this outfit.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over.
I ain't even gonna lie, this last outfit right here, this last look got me feeling myself. So if y'all don't get this video a thumbs up, if y'all don't share it, we gonna have some problems. Let me know if you like this 3-in-1 because I'm feeling this. I'm trying to level you up, sis, okay? Let them know. Let them know we did not come to play, okay? Baby girl, we're gonna serve every day and all day. But with that all being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know which look is your vibe. You know, are you look number 1, number 2, number 3, or are you like a mix, a combo of the 3? You know, I'm serving all looks, so I'm all of them, okay? I got plenty more to serve, so just let me know when you're ready, because sis got you. Hair, makeup, outfit. I'm game. Are you? So as always, remember you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Bye! Go ahead and like watch the next video. You know, like This right here is somewhere up in here. Click that.